Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WooFunnels with any page builder or any HTML classic editor or Gutenberg. The reason I'm doing this, I did create an in-depth review video on WooFunnels, almost 50 minutes showing all the features, and I created a separate video for autonomy with 30 minutes or so, and I also did a comparison with launch flows also. During that time, I made a mistake because it was not clearly visible. I thought WooFunnel is for only Elementor and Divi, and you can't use it with other page builder. But later then I realized there is a hidden option, sort of, in a way where founders told me that where it's located. So I learned the mistake, and I didn't want to just say it in a message, because this is some important requirement for some of you guys to make an informed decision. So I wanted to create a video specifically here to showcase how you can use WooFunnels with any page builders or just Gutenberg or HTML editor. First, I'm showing this is showing Elementor, but I have disabled the Elementor right now. If I go into the plugins, you can see, let me deactivate the Elementor plugin and let me go inside. First, let me deactivate this product, so we know that there is no Elementor, there is no Divi. Now I'm currently just a basic Gutenberg based. What I need to do is I need to go inside the funnels and start creating funnels, obviously. Now let me create a brand new funnel, test video funnel, and let me click on add. And inside that, now we are in a funnel. Now we can start creating pages, but I'm going to choose the page builders as others, and I'm going to pick start from scratch. And similarly, I can start building a new step. I can pretty much build anything, but let me start with the basic first, which is the sales landing pages, sales. And I'm going to create ad. Now this step is here. Now I need to go inside the edit section of this particular page which I have created, and inside that I'm again going to choose other. I'm not going to use Elementor or Divi. This is start from scratch. If I click on it, now I get this kind of here. For example, you're saying customizing sales using other, because we are not using Elementor, we are not using Divi, and for the sales page all we need is this link. So what we need to do is we copy this. You can use any page builder by clicking on switch to editor. Now you will move on to a WordPress based builder part. For example, you come to this page. Now you can start creating with any page builder you have, or even Gutenberg. And what you need to do is just make sure whatever the thing you are doing, let me say outline, just make sure to link this button to this particular URL. Then when you do that, when that button is clicked, it will automatically activate the funnel for you. So that is the important with sales page. You can use any templates, but as long as you use the required fields, you can stay with it. Now let me update this particular one and let me go back so I can show you with some other modules also before I finish this video. Let me go back to this. And because this is simple, we are just need to create a link, anywhere button or HTML link. Let me show with something like checkout pages or something like that, because it's a bit more complexity. So sorry, I don't want to view, I want to go into the edit section, and now I'm going to add a new step in. Now I'm going to create a checkout page for this, and going to give a demo name, checkout. And once I done that, you can see no products are there. I'm going to create a click on edit, and here also I'm going to follow the exact same stuff, which I can add products, all these things from here. I'm not going to touch upon now. First, I need to click on others, and I'm getting this kind of it automatically shows me there are 3 different forms which is not part of Elementor or Divi. I can choose whichever the one I want. There are 2-step form, 3-step forms, all the things are available for me. I can click on preview, so I can preview this form. These are built without any dependent on any page builder, and I can see the form really well, and I can see all the different forms also responsive. All I need to do is I need to click on import. Now it will be automatically importing for me to use with any page builder. All I need to do is copy this shortcode and paste it there. For example, if I copy this, there is a mini card shortcode also if I want to display that. And now I go into the switch to editor. Now I will be presented with whatever the page builder I am personally using. In this case, it's just getting the classic one. I need to paste that form, the particular shortcode inside that. Then when I view that, it will automatically embed that particular form into that particular page itself without any page builder. You can see all the details are showing here. So pretty much with this, you can use any page builders or even custom HTML or even custom classic editor also. So just wanted to create this video and clear that doubt. Really sorry I made this mistake, and hopefully this will clear this up for you. Once again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Cheers.